Multi-masking has arrived at Avon. These 3 fun, colorful clay masks put us right on trend with what's happening in the world of skincare. So what exactly is multi-masking? It's like multitasking for your face. Quite simply, it means using multiple skincare masks at once for a tailored treatment specific to your skincare needs. When we think of masks, most of the time we only use one, but we don't realize that we could actually use multiple in different areas. So each of these 3 clay masks have their own unique ingredients to address a special need wherever you need it most. First of all, there's Purify, white charcoal powder that helps deep clean, purify, and tighten the pores for soft, smooth looking skin. And of course, second, we have Brightening, which has citrus peel extract to help brighten your skin for a radiant, even-toned look. And last, but most certainly not least, we have Calming, with aloe to help calm and soothe your skin for a refreshed, healthy look. So today, my forehead may need a little brightening. Nose and chin purifying. And my cheeks, probably, they need a little bit of calming. The calming really does feel amazing. Or maybe I need a little something different, like this. Or perhaps I just need a full mask of calming. Whatever your skin needs, feel free to mix and mask. So get ready to give yourself and all of your customers their personalized multi-masking treatments. Why not make it fun and invite your friends over for a fun spa evening in? Be sure to share your pictures and experiences on social media, #Avon Masquerade.